Move and Ready Bravado home by Century Communities. Let's tour this house. Let's go. The Bravado house is going to be a 3-bedroom, 1,859 square feet, 2-story, 2-car garage. You could get up to $10,000 toward closing costs, and the HOA is only $30 a month. This home comes with Century incentives. Choose either interest rate, buy down, or a permanent buy down to 4.875%.
About this house or any other house, here's our information. You can call us, text us, email us, however you want to get a hold of us. We're here to help you in any way possible. And with that said, you guys make it a blessed day.